Morning all, so new week, new episode, and this week we've got this Seat Leon in for a paint correction and ceramic coating, plus interior valet, which isn't horrendous as you can see. There's a couple of marks that the customers mentioned. There's a couple of scratches, there's a little one there, a couple round the door handle there. Door handle's being painted, so I don't need to worry about that. But other than that, it should polish up really well. So I'll get it washed, get it inside, and show you around it once it's under the lights. Inside and up on the lift, so the paint doesn't look horrendous. You can get that in camera. It's a bit swirly, but it's one of them colours that doesn't show up a lot. A bit swirly there as well. And the bonnet also a bit swirly. There is some deeper marks just there that we'll polish out. But other than that, it's not in bad nick at all really for its age. These ones again, we'll polish all this out. Handle we're not doing anything with because that's all chipped under there anyway. There's a bit of chipping up the door edge. Just there, I don't know if you can see that, some sanding marks where that's been sanded there and there, all the way along underneath the door handle. So polish that out. Other than that, doesn't look too bad. Just took the number plates off because we've got new ones to fit. So yeah, I'll set up the other camera on a time lapse and get some footage of me polishing it. That's the Seat Leon now complete, looking absolutely stunning. So it's got 5-year coating now on the paint. Paint's had a full paint correction, and then all the interior has also all been done, all ready to go back to the customer. So all the scratches that were on it have come out. So all the ones that were down the bonnet, down here somewhere, have all gone. The ones that were on the door, there's still a slight one just there, and you can still vaguely see the ones in the reflections there, but that's the best they'll come out. All the black plastic's been polished, looking back how it should be. So that's this one done. I don't think we've got anything else to do today. I might get started on one of the cars that's later in the week that's here anyway, so I'll grab the camera if I do. See you in a bit. Right, so at the den now, and I've got this Polestar to do a end of lease detail on. As you can see, it's a bit grubby, marked, so I'm going to try and get it looking as good as I can so it can go back without being charged for anything. So yeah, not sure what the boot's like. I don't even know how you open the boot on these. Yeah, so it just needs a good general valet as it's minging. So we'll get this washed, then get it inside and get it looking back how it should be. It should come up nice enough on the outside. Get the camera to focus on it. There we go. So let's get cracking. So Thursday morning, I've got this G Wagon, urban one, to do a maintenance detail on, and a bit of a time crunch. The guy needs it by 12 o'clock, so I've already started, but we'll get it looking back how it should be. It's not horrendous, I do it quite often anyway, so let's get it looking pucker. Right, that's the G Wagon now done. I am going to recommend on the next visit that we do a deep clean, because the wheels have got quite a lot of dried on brake dust. I've not done this one since before Christmas, so it's now looking nice inside. Back how it should be. So I'll recommend that for the next clean, which I'm sure you'll be fine with. But as you can see, it looks absolutely gorgeous. So I will see you when I get back to the den. Morning all. So I am back, you can see it, at the den. And I've got this Volvo XC90 to do a light machine polish and a deep clean on the interior. So it's a nice V8 one, so quite rare. Well, that's the size locked because I've not double unlocked it. But so it's not horrendous. Typical XC90. I'll show you more of the interior and stuff once I get it inside. But we'll get the outside washed and deconned, ready for machine polishing, and then we'll get cracking on the interior. Right, as you can see, the car's now inside, and this is what we're working with. Somebody's had a go at polishing this up before. There's a really bad bit of paint just there. So I'm just doing a light polish on this, but I think it's going to need a single stage at least. It's not pretty, so I'll get cracking on that. Right, the Volvo's now done, looking much better, and looking great as well. Looking good.
It's time to take the future into private business venture.